Is this Fresno's best hidden barbecue spot, or am I about to waste $25? Let's find out. We just made it to the pickup location, you guys. There's a bunch of cars waiting right here, but they got it going on over here. They're coming out right now and they're bringing people's orders, so we're waiting and we're excited, and I'm hungry, super hungry. Thank you.
One combo, right?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Extra pepper, thank you.
Thank you. Let's go. We got it. Extra pepper. It smells so good. All right. So it's a combo with the quarter chicken leg, the brisket, and the rib. Where's the sausage? Let's go. And the sausage, and then extra pepper. They also include a barbecue sauce, 2 peppers. Ooh, that looks so good. Today we're trying Pig Out by Mang Lee. I ended up getting the $25 combo, and it comes with a quarter chicken leg. Look at this thing. Ooh, that looks delicious. I got an extra pepper for $1, and then the one it comes with. I got sausage. Ooh, delicious. Look, you guys. A big piece of brisket. That's tender. A barbecue rib. Look at how good. Look, the thing is thick. And then a barbecue sauce. And then a little bit of rice. I probably should have showed you guys an overview of it before I took it all off, but it's okay. What should we start with? Babe, should we start with the chicken first?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try the chicken first. Let's try it by itself, and then we'll try it with the pepper. Let's try it with the pepper now. That is so good. The seasoning, the seasoning is so flavorful. It's so smoky. It really tastes like, oh, that's delicious. I'm glad I got an extra pepper. That's good. I love the pepper. It's actually so good. It's a little spicy, a little tangy, a little sour. So good. Next, let's try the sausage. And with this, you need to try it with rice, you guys, please. Sausage and rice. First bite. I do like their style of sauce. It is a little bit more tangy sour. So if you like that, you're going to love it. If you like it, I love it. Next, let's try the brisket. It was already falling apart. That's butter soft. That's melt in your mouth soft. I'm sorry, you guys. This is too good. Let's try the rib together. I'm gonna leave everything in the description. Ming's Pig Out BBQ. You guys, if you're not watching my TikTok and my short form content, go check it out. I'm active way more often on there. But we just tried the Ming's barbecue. You guys, $25. Good. It's really good. And it's really worth it. I think you can definitely share as well. This is a big piece of chicken, a big rib, a big piece of brisket, and one sausage, and then half rice. I think maybe he should charge 30 and then add the whole bed of rice, but this is bomb. 10 out of 10. If you're interested, I'm gonna leave their information down below. Thank you guys for coming with me and watching. Subscribe so we can go to the next spot together. Bye.